In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple stops in Waze, a step-by-step guide designed to make your travel experience more convenient and customized. Whether you're running errands around town or planning a multi-stop road trip, this guide will help you maximize the functionality of your Waze app on both iPhone and Android devices. Let's get started. First, to begin, you want to open the Waze app on your smartphone. The Waze app is a powerful tool designed to help you reach your destinations efficiently, and it's available right on your home screen or app drawer. With the app open, the next step is to enter your final destination. Simply type in the address or location of where you want to end your journey. Once you've entered your final destination, go ahead and tap the Go button. This will initiate the navigation to your selected endpoint. As your journey begins, you'll notice a blue arrow or an ETA bar appearing at the bottom of your screen. This is a key feature within Waze that allows you to make additional changes to your routing on the fly. Tap on this blue arrow or ETA bar to bring up more options. Once you're in, look for the Add a Stop option and tap on it. This is where you can include additional stops between your starting point and your final destination. Now let's add the places you want to stop. You can do this by searching for an address directly, looking up a point of interest, or even selecting a favorite location you've saved in the app. Once you have found your desired stop, tap on it, click Go, and then choose Add a Stop when prompted by the pop-up window. Finally, click Go Now. Your selected location will now appear as a stop along your route, positioned before your final destination. If you need to make more than one stop, feel free to repeat this process. Waze allows you to add up to 2 additional stops on top of your final destination. This flexibility can come in handy when your day requires visiting multiple locations. After you have set your stops, Waze takes care of the rest, automatically rerouting your journey to incorporate these detours seamlessly. It smartly navigates the best path, ensuring that these stops are efficiently integrated into your overall travel plan. So there you have it, a simple and efficient way to customize your routes using Waze. Remember that you can always check and adjust your planned stops if your situation changes. Whether you're navigating through busy city streets or traversing rural roads, these tips will have you driving like a pro in no time. Happy traveling!